Hi, I'm Brooke Peterman. This is Sarah Maxwell, and we're the Dedra Hughes team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. Today, we are at a fabulous new listing in Crestwood Subdivision. We're at 3629 Guest Road, and I'm going to let Sarah tell you all about the inside.
Well, Brooke, you're going to love this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's a split bedroom floor plan. The kitchen is open to the dining area and vaulted living room. But my absolute favorite part of this house is the backyard. It's an oversized lot and it has a privacy fence, perfect for these evenings in the summer. So call Brooke or your favorite realtor to see it today. Let's go.